In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a standing Zottman curl, but we're also going to be adding in an isometric hold during the movement. So firstly, this 2-in-1 movement involves us bringing our feet to hip width apart, bringing our elbows into the sides, and you'll notice here I'm in a palm up position. Now, the palms are really important, so we'll come back to that a little bit later on. But what I want you to do is keep the elbows always into the sides. If you're somebody that's slightly rounded with the shoulders, make sure you bring the shoulders back and the chest up. And then from this position, what we're going to do is bicep curl up. Now notice what happens with the palms as I come to a palm down position. I'm going to come slightly down and I'm going to hold that position for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, and then release back down. So when I hold, that's an isometric contraction, which simply means a contraction of the muscle without movement. So bringing myself into that palm up position, elbows nice and close to the body, core's braced. I come up, controlling that upwards phase, big squeeze at the top of the motion. And then from here, I've got that palm down position, come down slightly, holding for 3 seconds. Once I've done the 3 seconds, I'll then come back to my start position and bring my palms up. So that's how to do a Zottman curl with an isometric contraction on the eccentric phase of the movement.